Lighting can make or break a 3D scene, but setting up a professional studio rig from scratch is often a tedious process. Procedural Light Studio by Addon 3D is a geometry node-based solution that automates the heavy lifting. It provides a complete 5-point lighting system that you can drop into any scene with a single click. You get dedicated controls for left, right, front, rim, and top panel lights. Whether you need a subtle halo effect with the rim light or deep dimensionality from the top panels, every source is fully adjustable for intensity and angle. It even includes a built-in volumetric panel. You can add atmospheric fog, customize the noise, and change colors to create that cinematic, moody lighting look without touching the shader editor. To get the best results, make sure your model is at a standard blender scale and centered in the scene. The add-on thrives when it has a clear focal point to illuminate. It is a powerful utility for product designers and character artists who want to spend less time on technical setup and more time on the final look. Check out the link below to brighten up your workflow.